to include object pooling method. So this is the object pooling method, and in the spawn manager, under spawn obstacles, when you check that game is not over and there's a crate, then it won't pull any crate. But if you check the game is not over and do not have a crate, it will initiate the crate from the object pooling. And also I added a random range instead of a fixed range, so that the objects will spawn randomly anytime as the player plays. So you can see that the object instantaneously spawn after the previous crate has been destroyed, and this is the added difficulty in the runtime.